Hey guys, I've been making YouTube videos for a little over 2 years now, and this is the gear that I've been using. First up, my Samsung Galaxy S8. Yes, it's a smartphone, but the camera is great. It can record in 4K and the quality is very good. You don't need an actual camera because your smartphone really is good enough. Don't invest in gear unless you've done it long enough to know that you're really passionate in making videos. Next is my tripod. This is the Velborn EX440 model, but almost any tripod will do. You just need it for steady footage. The handle is handy for panning shots, going left to right or right to left and up and down or down and up. You can also increase or decrease the height of it, which is handy depending on what and where you're shooting. I've had this tripod the whole time and it's been really good to me. I also have this handheld grip. It's ideal for vlogging, I guess, but I actually bought it to take overhead shots. It doesn't really work with a tripod alone because you end up seeing the tripod legs in the shot, so I bought this to act as an extension and it's perfect. The last thing I use is this Rode Lav Mic because audio directly from the smartphone mic isn't that good. It's kind of echoey. So yeah, that's my gear that I've been using up until today. I have recently purchased some new gear including the Canon M50 that you might have seen in my previous video, but I'll produce a part 2 video on that in the near future. For now, I hope you found this video helpful, and links to all of the gear is in the description below. Remember, gear isn't everything, it's the content more than anything.